Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Rainbow Six Siege not launching after Steam update. And what you can do is obviously make your way over to Steam, go to library. The first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam settings in the top left, go over to settings. From settings, what you want to do is you want to go over to interface, and what has worked for a lot of people is what you need to do is go ahead and turn off client beta participation. So go ahead and turn that off to no beta chosen, and if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and do Steam beta update. Either or should fix the issue. You just go choose the next one, but I recommend choosing no beta chosen. Anyways, once you do that, you can try starting up Rainbow Six Siege, and that should help fix the issue. The second method you guys can do is go over to Rainbow Six Siege. I'm just going to use a random game as an example, but right click on it, hit properties, go over to installed files, and go ahead and hit verify integrity of game files. And once you do that, that should also help fix the issue. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.